Hi, I would like to talk on the topic water drinking. The first rule in health and nutrition is drinking enough water or staying hydrated. Man can live weeks without food but not a few days without water. 60% of human body is made up of water. Tissues and organs are made up of water. Let us see approximate water content percent in each organ. Brain consists of 73% of water. Blood contains 90%, bones 31%, lungs 83%, skin 64%, muscles and kidneys 79%. This shows that every system in human body counts on water to function. Here are lists of benefits of water drinking. Water raises metabolism, especially the fat metabolism. Water reduces hunger or decreases cravings towards food, thereby helps in weight reduction. Water removes byproducts of fats, which are carbon dioxide, water and ATP. Water transports waste products in and out of the cell, thereby helps in flushing out toxins from the body. Water makes the skin more healthier and improves the complexion of skin. Water improves the energy levels or makes you feel more energized. Blood contains 90% of water. It is blood which carries oxygen and nutrients to all cells of the body. Without oxygen, these tiny cells will die and body stops working. Hence, water plays a role in delivering oxygen throughout the body. Water maintains the electrolyte balance. These electrolytes, that is sodium, potassium, calcium, chloride, magnesium, phosphate, these are required to rebuild the damaged cells. Lymph are fluids which carries WBCs for the defense mechanism. Water present in this lymph thereby plays an important role in immune system. Water lubricates the joints or allows smooth movement. Cartilage found in joints and disc of the spine contains 80% water. Long time dehydration can reduce the shock absorbing ability of joints and lead to joint pain. Water cushions the brain, spinal cord and other sensitive tissues. It is involved in the production of hormones and neurotransmitters. Water helps in delivering nutrients to the brain and removing toxins. Water improves concentration and cognition, maintains memory function, balances emotions, reduces stress. Hence, dehydration can affect brain structure and function. Prolonged dehydration can lead to problems with thinking and reasoning. Water regulates body temperature. That's why in naturopathy, just by the treatment of water drinking, the fever can be cured. Water regulates blood pressure. If no proper water taken, the blood becomes more thicker and this increases the blood pressure. Water helps in the blood to become thin and this makes less likely to form clots. Water helps in digestion. Water present in saliva and mucus helps in lubrication and binding of food, thereby making digestion easier. Also prevents from all digestive issues like acidity, ulcer, indigestion, hemorrhoids, constipation, etc. Water prevents kidney damage. Kidney regulate the fluid in the body. Insufficient water intake leads to the formation of kidney stones and also urinary tract infection. UTI, if not treated in the beginning, it can lead to the spread of infection to the upper tract and may thereby damage the kidneys. Hence, water reduces the risk of bladder infections. The recommended daily intake of water for men is 3.7 liter per day and for women is 2.7 liters per day. Fresh fruits and vegetables and non-alcoholic fluids counts towards this recommendation. Conditions in which water intake should be more is during a hot weather, during fever, diarrhea and vomiting and also during a physical activity where sweating is more. By seeing the color and amount of urine and if you rarely feel thirsty, these are the signs showing your water intake is not adequate. Over drinking of water is also dangerous and leads to a condition called hyponatremia where sodium level becomes too low. Overhydration also results in water intoxication, where electrolyte balance gets disturbed. Out of the whole day of water drinking, the best time to drink water is early morning, soon after getting up from the bed in empty stomach. Hope you never ignore this 0-calorie miracle drink and makes it a part in your daily routine. If felt this video as useful, do subscribe for more videos in our Niramaya blog. Thank you.